Well, hello you all. Real quick, I found a new hiking venue. This is the Seven Oaks Trail. It is part of the Carolina Thread Trail System, and it's part of the Catawba River watershed. So I looked this place up on All Trails, and they say it's just shy of 5 miles from trailhead to trailhead. So I think that's going to be a nice little trail run. We appear to be at a far point of the lake, of this particular portion of the lake. And we just clicked off 1 mile, so I'm gonna see what's around the next bend here, and then we'll start heading back toward the car. We got a little storm sewer here, so this is a place where water can enter the lake. So, and we have a little tributary here that runs back up this way, kind of zigzags. So this, I believe, is that far point of the lake I was talking about. So I just kind of stumbled onto this place on the way to and from someplace else, and I don't have enough daylight this week to do the whole loop, but this will be a purposeful destination next week. I'm coming here to do this next weekend. How about that? Well,